Hi, today I'm going to be teaching you how to find the length of the hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. The hypotenuse is the longest length in a right angle triangle, and it also is the one that's across from the right angle and the only side that's not touching the right angle. Next, I'm going to be teaching you Pythagorean theorem. The equation for this is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This means the length of a squared plus the length of b squared equals the length of c squared. A and b are the legs and c is the hypotenuse. Let's do a problem with some easy numbers. Let's say there's a wall that's 8 meters tall and you lean a ladder against it. If the base of the ladder is 6 meters away from the wall, how tall is the ladder? Step 1. Identify which measurements are the legs and which is the hypotenuse. So in our problem, the wall, which is 8 meters tall, is this measurement in our triangle. The distance from the wall to the base of the ladder is 6 meters. So this is 6. Now if we're trying to find out which is the hypotenuse, is this. So at this point our equation looks like this. Step 2. Squaring the legs. If you do not know what squaring means, it means multiplying a number by itself. So here, we multiply 8 by itself, which equals 64, and 6 by itself, which equals 36. At this point, our equation looks like this. Step 3. Add a squared and b squared together. So, 64 plus 36 equals 100. At this point, our equation looks like this. At this point, we know that 64 plus 36 equals c squared, and 64 plus 36 equals 100. So we know that c squared must equal 100. At this point, we know that c squared equals 100. So in order to find out what c is, we need to find the square root of c. I know what the square root of c squared is. So, if c squared equals 100, so we need to find out what c is, so we do the square root of c squared, which is c. So we do the square root of 100, because we know that 100 equals c squared, equals 10. So that 10 equals c, and this length equals 10. This is what our equation looks like now. Now to tips, tricks, and troubleshooting. Using a diagram of a right angle triangle can be very helpful, especially when you're trying to figure out which measurements are the legs and which are the hypotenuse. You can use Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, to find out the lengths of the legs in the triangle too. You should check your work to make sure it makes sense and to make sure you're doing the calculations correctly. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. You will now know how to find the length of a hypotenuse in a right angle triangle and how to use Pythagorean theorem. Bye!